Josh's Snack and Candy Reviews here of Mega Sour Spray Sour Watermelon. Let's try this. So I bought this at Dollar Tree about, I don't know, probably a week or so ago. And I decided, you know what, let's try this. I'm not a big fan of, I don't know. Sometimes I do pick up sour candy, but sometimes I don't. So, I do, I don't. But I decided to pick this up because I wanted to see what this was. There's other flavors that they got too. Let's try to open this up. This will open up. Yeah, this is ridiculous. How the heck do you open this up? Let me open this up and then I'll resume the video when I open this up. Alright, finally open this up. After 15 million tries, this stuff is kind of disappointing. After 50 million tries to open this up, this stuff is actually kind of disappointing. I don't know what they consider sour, but this is definitely not sour. Shake it up a little bit, I don't know. Stuff's definitely not sour. It's good, but it's definitely not sour to me. Don't know what they consider sour, but this is definitely not sour. Kind of a bummer right there. I give this, honestly, probably a 2 out of 10. It's definitely not sour to me. I don't see how this is sour, so I probably won't be picking up any of the other flavors.